Now that you have your research question and your list of keywords, you can begin searching for resources using library databases and search engines. Trying your search repeatedly with every combination of keywords can take a lot of time and potentially miss useful results. This is where Boolean logic comes in. Boolean logic allows you to take all your keywords and combine them into one search string that can be used over and over again in different databases and search engines. It's a powerful, systematic, and fast way to search. Here's how Boolean logic works. You start with your list of keywords, and you group them according to their categories or synonyms. So you have your synonyms for climate change, your synonyms for marine biodiversity, and your synonyms for Canada. Boolean logic is then used to connect all your keywords with either and or or. And and or are known as Boolean operators and will allow you to search multiple concepts effectively. Or will return resources that contain at least one of the keywords within each group of synonyms. You connect your synonyms with or. And will return resources that contain all of the keywords. You connect your concepts with and. Now that you've connected your terms with ands and ors, you will get back results that mention climate change or global warming or climate crisis, and marine biodiversity or marine ecosystem or aquatic life, and Canadian or Canada or North America, which in this little Venn diagram is sort of this area in the middle. There are a few more tips and tricks to make your searching even more effective. If one of your synonyms contains more than one word, you can connect them with quotes to keep the words together. This will ensure that when you search, you find things that reference climate change specifically or global warming specifically, instead of text that might include the word warm and the word global. So anything that is a phrase or a proper name or a connection of two words that you want to keep together, you can connect with these quotes. The same thing goes for something like North America. Many databases will also let you use what are called truncation characters. Truncation characters let you search for variation on a term where the end of the word is different. For example, Canadian or Canada. You can actually use a truncation symbol, which is an asterisk, like this, and this will return all search results that include the word Canada, Canadian, Canadienne, Canadians, and so you do all that searching with just one word with the little asterisk. The one warning here is you have to be careful where you put that asterisk. If you put it too soon in the word, you can get all sorts of words that are unrelated to each other. So for example, up here with ecosystem, if you cut off the word at eco, you'll get ecosystem and ecological, which are good, but you'll also get economize and economics. And so you'll get a lot of results that aren't related. So you have to just be careful about where you put that star. But for Canada, it's in the perfect place. If you want to learn more tips and tricks for maximizing your search, check the help or info section of the database you're using to get the details on truncation or other symbols called special operators. But this is a sort of general way that many of the databases will work and that you can use across a lot of different systems. Now that you have all your search terms gathered, you can put them together into something that's called a search string. This search string can then be used across many library databases as well as Google Scholar. Using parentheses called nesting, you can group all your related terms with or. Remember to add your quotes where appropriate. And think about appropriate places to use your truncation characters. The groups of nested terms or concepts can then be connected with and. You can save this search string and use it again and again. By writing down each iteration of the search string that you use, you can make sure you know exactly what you searched and when. Your searching will be faster, more thorough, and you'll have a history of everything you've tried. Check the description of this video for the sample search string that we have here. You can copy and paste it into the database of your choice and see how it works. Thank you for watching this series. If you need any help with research, you can reach out to your subject librarian or visit us at the Research Help Desk on the main floor of the library.